Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove red cross mark from folders and icons on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for File Explorer. Now, just click on Open right here. Now this tutorial will be super easy to follow. So all you have to do is to go right here and then look for the OneDrive icon. So once you find the OneDrive icon, what we're going to do next is to right click on it. And then we're going to click on Show More Options. After that, we're going to click on Settings, and then this will pop up. Now, what we're going to do here is to just click the Unlink This PC, and then click Unlink Account. Once you do it, all you have to do is to go into our Windows icon, and then restart your PC. Now, once you restart your PC, you should now be able to fix your problem. So that is basically it.